But the game plan is, every single day, hindi na pwedeng makulangan ng 10,000 steps. We got this walking pad from Xiaomi. Pagsiset up pa lang nung walking pad, challenge na. It's time to focus on what truly matters most. And right now, for me, importante ang health. We just got home. We got this walking pad from Xiaomi. This is Xiaomi's C1 and foldable siya. So I can try and put it right under there pag hindi ginagamit. Para rin space saver siya. But at the same time, andito siya para kapag nagwo-work ako, pwede akong naka walking pad kineme. I'm going to try to set it up on my own. Dahil tulog si Papa doon. Pagsiset up pa lang nung walking pad, challenge na. Feeling ko, I've had enough exercise for the day. Pero hindi. Naka 2,100 pa lang tayo na steps. I'd probably do 1 hour later. But the game plan is, every single day, hindi na pwedeng makulangan ng 10,000 steps because kahit nag-work, pwede ako mag-walking pad dito sa taas. And if babalikan ko siguro, kung nung umorder ako ng treadmill na nasa baba, I'd probably buy this one na. But at the same time, I wouldn't be able to truly test if I can commit. Kasi kaya ko mag-commit na nagta-treadmill every day. It's just that the challenge is kailangan ko pang bumaba. Meanwhile, ngayon na meron ng walking pad, dito sa taas, ang usapan talaga, ako, sabi ko kay Papski, moving forward, 10,000 steps na kami per day. Kasi pwede kami ditong magtig 1 hour, 2 hours. Kasi habang nagwo-work, tahimik daw to eh. I-check ko mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung noise test niya. In the meantime, try ko muna magbasa habang natutulog si Papa kasi baka maingayan siya habang nag-vlog ako. We just got home from the gym. And suot ko nga pala yung t-shirt na padala ng Unawa. Dami natin chismis sa mukha. Dahil sige, going back, ito-document ko yung pag-aayos ko ng Unawa. Kasi may pinadala sila sa akin the shirt and then the I was actually referred by, I'm not even sure. I think nag-email sila sa akin before and then hindi ko na napapansin yung mga email kasi ng collabs kasi sobrang dami. So, nung magsama-sama kami ni Mia sa Baguio, nabanggit ulit ni Mia, sabi ko, parang may email sila sa akin eh. He sent me over a tote bag na merong guide sa kung paano gagamitin yung app nila. And I wanna give it a try, pero ang dami ko pang guides, ang dami kong kailangan gawin, ang daming brand collabs, ang daming meetings, ang daming tasks, ang daming lakad. Hindi ko na alam kung paano nga hatiin ang sarili ko. But today we have decided that it's time to focus on what truly matters most. And right now, for me, importante ang health. Kasi bigat na ng pakiramdam ko. Hindi ako pinapawisan. Alakas kong kumain. Anong Monday, sa sobrang dami ng ginawa ko, nakarating ako sa point na parang may sinat na ako. It's probably pagod, puyat, and literal na nagka-crash yung katawan ko. Like, pag humiga ako, dire-diretso yung tulog ko dahil. It's my body telling me na baka hindi na okay yung work-life balance natin. And with that being said, inuna ko talaga ngayon yung focus muna ako sa ano ba talaga yung gusto kong gawin, ano yung gusto kong ma-accomplish. And number 1 is, I need to be able to work on myself, and that includes exercising. Nakapag-gym kami ni Papski, which is really, really good. It felt good. Right, baby? It felt so good. It felt so good. It's perfect. Parang I'm ready to start my day na. Alam ko magiging challenge na naman yung magdamag ko. But I'm ready to take on that challenge instead of me just saying na pagod na ako. Kasi nagbigay na ako ng 2 days para sa sarili ko. It's about time that we get back on track. Kasi marami na rin akong kailangan na gawin. Marami nang do. Marami na akong meetings na napalipas. Just because sinunod ko yung sinasabi ng katawan ko. Yun yung tinatawag na balance. Like, not all the time bibigay ka sa nararamdaman mo. Pero hindi rin pwede na i-disregard mo yung nararamdaman mo. Gets mo? So, you have to have that balance to know when to say na, hindi, laban na ako today or laban pa ako ng isang araw, ganyan. Anyway, back to work na tayo ng fully at marami tayong hahabulin na deadlines. Marami tayong meetings na we'll try to salvage if kaya pa. At least merong movement, hindi lang... Am I making any sense? Alam mo yung, you have to be able to find yung sweet spot between lalaban ka pa ba or magpapahinga ka muna. That's what I'm trying to say kanina pa. Hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos. Anyway, yan. So, I'm moving meetings here and there. I need to work smarter on my schedule. Kasi sobrang busy na ng mga araw natin. Anyway, wait. Let me work on a few things here. Alam niyo, isa pang problema ko. May problema yung tiyan ko. May something sa tiyan ko for some reason. Anyway, let me work on this first. And then, I should be back with you guys later on. Good morning. So, this is our new workspace. Standing desk na siya. Ang perfect niya. At bukod pa doon, ang mura ko lang siyang nakuha versus yung nakikita ko na standing desks before. So, I'm gonna start my week right and just be as productive as I can be because we're flying to Bacolod in 2 days. So, I wanna make sure na everything is all set. We've just onboarded Bunso, my little brother. He'll be doing our edits. And si Charles moved to his own place na. Not really his own place, he doesn't own it, but he'll be living there semi-alone. And so many adjustments. But for me, this is another area to learn how to grow as a mom, as a sister, as a business owner, as a freelancer, and all that. Anyway, coffee muna tayo and then I'll probably do some nakulo yung tiyan ko, oh my god. I'll probably do some errands. Yes. Tsaka maraming gagawin ngayon si Papski, kami ni Papski. Kasi gusto namin ikabit lahat ng kailangan ikabit, i-film lahat ng kailangan i-film bago kami umalis papunta ng Bacolod.
One eternity later.
Good morning! Papalit kami ng cover ng kama. Tagal ko palang hindi nakapag-vlog dito kasi hindi ko rin to dinala sa Bacolod, diba? itong camera. So, today is November 7th, I think. Right around 7 p.m. I just woke up. I'm having my tea right there. Pero dahil matutulog na si Papski, sabi ko, papalitan ko muna itong cover ng kama namin. Gawa ng...
Puro laway ni Bebong.
Puro laway ni Bebong. Hindi. At saka mas masarap kasi ang tulog ng bagong palit ang bedsheet. So, ginagawa ko talaga siya. Usually, ay Monday morning. Pero Tuesday na ngayon kasi kahapon, what did we do yesterday?
Patayin ka.
Patay na raw ba tayo kahapon?
Yun, nangilang yung linggo.
Oo.
Kahapon ay nag-SM.
Yeah. So, yesterday was more like a rest day / errands day. Parang may hindi pa tayo nagawa sa no?
So,
Sa SM.
pagupit.
Ay, pagpapagupit mo. So, yun lang. Kasi nung last time na pumunta ako sa SM para magpapalit ng nails, mag-comforter tayo. Kulit yung comforter. So, nung last na pumunta ako para magpagawa ng nails, doon din kasi nagpapaano si Popski, nagpapagupit. Hindi available yung panggupit nila ng lalaki. Wala daw yung ni Ate Shi. Dami. Itong next na project ko, lilinisin ko na ulit ito. Actually, no. Maayos pa siya. Konti yung mga nasa ibabaw lang. Ayun. Anyway, dahil na kami magpalit ng bedsheet, magtiti muna ako. Now, usually, yung ganitong, yung ganitong oras, habang si Papski ay nanonood at papaantok siya kasi 2:30 a.m. na, mahal. 2:30 a.m. na yung shift niya. Ako naman, either nagfi-film na ako, magsimula na ako mag-work, or it really depends on the schedule that we have for that day. Pero for the most part, nagfi-film ako ng videos, or naglilinis na ako, magsasalang na ako ng labahin and all that stuff. So I'm doing my thing na habang namamahinga siya. Ayun. Tulog na si Papski. Magwa-work na tayo. Actually, not work. Parang gusto kong mag-focus sa email cleanup today. Back to work. Nakaligo na tayo. Fresh. 12:44 of November 8.
Six hours later.
So, after maligo, and then mag-work for a bit, kagabi, sabi ko, higa ako, parang inaantok ko. Siguro naiidlip lang ako. Kasi tulog na ako ng maghapon eh. Girl, it is 7:40 in the morning of November 8. In short, natulog na naman tayo. Oh my God. But before I get back to work again, let me just show you. Natutuwa ako. For the past couple of days, gumigising ako na parang ang linis ng workstation ko. Lalayo ako para makita nyo. Parang nalilinisan ako sa kanya. Like, hindi siya linis na linis-linis. But, girl, walang kalat, girl. May kalat pala, hindi lang masyadong kita ba? Diba? Ito, actually, kaya lang to nandito. Kasi nagkuha ako ng videos. Kasi sabi ko nga, I'll start filming using my phone. My phone tuloy. My camera again. But other than that, it's like clean, clean, clean. Oh, pack. Yun lang.